Just try to understand how much ignorance we are. We are all in ignorance. This education is wanted because people, by this ignorance, they are fighting with one another. One nation is fighting with another. One religionist is fighting with another religion. But it is all based on ignorance. I am not this one. Therefore Shastra says, Jashyata buddhi kunapeti dhatu. Ata buddhi kunapeti. This is a bag of bones and muscles. And it is manufactured by three dhatus. Dhatu means element. According to Ayurvedic system, Kapha, Pitta, Vayu. Material things. So therefore, I am spirit soul. I am part and parcel of God. Aham Brahmasmi. This is the basic education. Try to understand that you do not belong to this material world. You belong to the spiritual world. You are part and parcel of God.